What if DJI's next pocket camera completely changes how you think about compact filmmaking? Because based on everything leaking out right now, that's exactly where this is heading. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has been quietly building momentum behind closed doors, and the details coming out are honestly more impressive than I expected. In this video, we're breaking down the rumored specs, the leaked visuals, the pricing, the launch window, and whether you should wait for it or just grab the Pocket 4 right now. Let's get into it, because there's one spec in particular that might just change your mind about everything.
Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to pack a 1-inch main sensor, which already puts it in serious territory. But the real headline is the 3x optical telephoto lens. That's not digital zoom, that's actual optical zoom. And for a camera this size, that's kind of wild. On top of that, you're looking at potential 4K at 240 frames per second for slow motion, possibly even 6K resolution, 14 stops of dynamic range, 10-bit D-Log color, 128 gigs of onboard storage, and a 3-axis gimbal baked right in. Hasselblad-style color tuning is also being thrown around, which tells you DJI is positioning this as a creative tool, not just a gadget. If even half of this lands in the final product, it's going to be a genuinely compelling camera.
What makes this round of leaks feel more credible than usual is where they're coming from. These aren't blurry renders or anonymous forum posts. A closed creator event was held in mainland China, where selected influencers got actual hands-on time with the device before any public announcement. They were there to shoot with it, test it, and build content ahead of the global reveal. The images that came out of that event are clear, real, and detailed enough to get a proper sense of what the device actually looks like. That kind of pre-launch seeding is classic DJI behavior, and it usually means an announcement isn't far off. Now, let's clear up some confusion, because there's been a lot of it. The May 7th date that was floating around online? Not for this camera. That date is tied to the Osmo Mobile 8 gimbal event, so if you were circling it on your calendar waiting for the Pocket 4 Pro, you can unmark it. The more reliable window being pointed to right now is late May to early June 2026, with a China first release followed by a global rollout. As for pricing, the rumor range is sitting between $699 and $749, which puts it firmly in the premium compact category. That sounds like a lot until you look at the spec sheet. Then it starts making a bit more sense. One thing worth knowing if you're in the US, there are still some regulatory headwinds affecting DJI products, even non-drone devices. The Pocket 4 Pro has reportedly cleared FCC approval, but smooth availability isn't guaranteed just yet. This is the part everyone actually wants an answer to, so here's the honest take. The Pocket 4 is already a strong camera. It's available, it's refined, and for most vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators, it genuinely covers everything. If you've got projects lined up and you need something reliable in your hands right now, there's no shame in going for it. But if zoom flexibility matters to you, or you just like knowing you have the latest tech, then waiting could pay off. The Pocket 4 Pro isn't just an incremental upgrade. The telephoto lens alone is a category-level addition for this type of camera. That said, it's still based on leaks. No confirmed release date, no guaranteed specs, and no certainty on that US availability situation. So the choice really comes down to this. Do you need it now, or do you want the best version available? The Pocket 4 Pro might genuinely be one of the most exciting compact cameras DJI has ever built, if it delivers on even most of what's been leaked. So are you holding out for the Pro or just going for the Pocket 4 right now? Drop your answer in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious where you all stand. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. More DJI coverage is coming soon, and you don't want to miss it.